Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are installing a protective wig. Let me show you the texture real quick. It is a afro curly textured unit in a black color. It is so soft, so fluffy, and it has a little bang situation. So this is going to be a glueless, hairsprayless, gel-less, like all just comfortable wig, and the texture is so soft. This has been co-washed, so it is damp, and I like to make sure that I start on damp hair so then I have like the ultimate styling, space, so then I don't have to worry about not getting the full hair's potential if it's just come in the mail and I haven't washed or conditioned it or just moisturized it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're working on damp hair, so make sure this hair is nice and moist if you're working with this wig. This is what it looks like on the website, so let's see what we can do and make it look as good as we can. This is a closure wig, which is amazing because then it fits so nicely. It's much more comfortable in my opinion. It kind of feels like a hat, and it has the elastic band in the back, so it's very secure, and you can also adjust it and tighten it to your head. So this is what it looks like just freshly washed on my head. This is not it, so let's get this together. I'm going to start off with the As I Am Double Buttercream, and this is just a really thick moisturizing cream. There's no hole to this. There is nothing that's really like curl defining in this. This is just to help soften the hair. It is really soft already after washing it, but I'm just going to lock in that moisture and make sure that the texture stays kind of relaxed. We don't want it to be frizzy and like too big. It's already very dense and curly. So then I'm using the twist defining cream, and this will give it a little bit of definition, but not too much. The curl pattern on this wig is already so nice, so you don't have to do too much to it. You can obviously use gel to define it even more, but I didn't think I needed to. I just wanted to kind of, I guess, relax it in the sense of making sure it's moisturized so that we don't have any extra unneeded frizz. So as you can see, all I'm doing is adding the products to my hair, adding the twist defining gel, and then I'm twisting the hair into big chunks. So I did 3 on each side, as you can see, and I'm using the twist defining cream, and I'm twisting it very loosely because this isn't necessarily for definition. It's just to let the hair set, elongate a little bit, and kind of, set into the curls. Can we talk about this texture though? It is so beautiful. It is the perfect like afro and kinky curly kind of combination, and close up it has really amazing definition. So yeah, I love it. So now that everything's twisted, I'm just going to leave it alone for a little bit. I'm going to go do my makeup, come back, and then we can dry it a little bit more, but just let it set and kind of relax in this, and then we will style. All right, so it has been like 20 minutes, and then now we are going to blow dry. So we don't need to fully blow dry this, it's up to you, but I like to blow dry it a little bit to stretch out the roots and also to make sure that it's dry so I'm not going outside with wet hair. So all I'm doing is unraveling the twist, and as you can see, there's no like twist definition. It just kind of stretched out the curls, and I'm just blow drying the roots so it stretches out the roots a little bit more and I can get the shape that I really want. So it's really up to you how you want to play with this. You can do like the gel definition, a twist out definition, or if you want to do it like this is just like its natural definition, which I'm working with. So I really like it. It's such a beautiful curl pattern. And then of course I'm going through, I'm stretching the ends and I'm stretching the roots. Nothing too special. I just want it to be dry enough so it can stay in place and that when I go outside, it doesn't change into something different. So now that everything else has been dried and taken out, I am going to work on these bangs. So I did these in such small twists because I like the definition of bangs. I like when they're defined. I'm just trimming it a little bit because my forehead isn't long enough to kind of work with this length of bang. So I need it to be a little bit shorter so it's not covering my eyes. And this is what it came up to. So this is, yeah, the length, and the bangs have a little bit more definition, I'd say, but it's all still very defined without me having to do too much work, which I love. And this is how I would wear it personally. No glue, no nothing, no spray, no hairspray. So it's comfortable. You can add a little bit of makeup to the lace if you'd like, but this looks great. And this is just a little close up on the curls, so we can talk about that. After the product, it looks even better in my opinion. It already looked great before, but it looks even better now, and it looks soft, and it stayed very soft throughout the day. And close up of the lace, Lace looks amazing, no glue, no nothing. Hergivenhair always comes through with the lace. You don't have to do any work. Just throw it on, add some product like you would your natural hair, and you can just, you know, head out the door. So I love the bang, covers everything up and makes this such an easy wearable style. So this is what it looks like. This is how I wore it. I like to tuck a little bit behind my ear so it's not all in my face, and I like to keep a little bit of a space in the bang as well, so then it's not like a, you know, perfectly straight bang. So yeah, this is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's a very nice style to wear during the cooler months because I'm not gonna lie, it keeps you warm. And also you're just, you know, in the summer it gets so hot you can't wear every single hairstyle that you want to, in my opinion. So this is a perfect fall winter hairstyle, or if you just love big hair no matter what the season, this texture and this look is perfect. Easy to throw on, covers up the lace, protects your edges always, and it's so soft and beautiful. If you guys could feel this, you would actually just fall to the ground because it's so soft. With the help of extra product, even better. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think about this style on me. It's different, but I really like it. I love anything with a bang, a curly bang. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye.